Hi, my name is Jeremy Tallman, and I serve as President and Principal Broker for T&H Realty Services. We're a full-service property management company serving the greater Indianapolis area. Today I want to talk about security deposits and some issues surrounding security deposits that you might find helpful. I will first start out by saying that in every single case you should charge a security deposit. Avoid the move in today and no deposit required type things, because security deposits are really important. And frankly, if a tenant balks at paying a deposit, or maybe wants that deposit divided up into 3 payments over the next 3 months, I would continue your search. It's always concerning if someone doesn't have the financial ability to pay a deposit and first month's rent before moving in. So again, it's important to get that deposit. What do you charge? Again, our policy is the first month's rent. So if the rent on a property is $1,200, then we almost always would require a $1,200 deposit. We rarely, if ever, discount our security deposits. Where should you store the deposit? It's important to set up an account where security deposits are the only thing in that account. As a professional property management company, we never want to commingle our owner's money and our money. And because at the end of the day, the security deposit until the end of the lease is considered the tenant's money. So we put that into a separate account that only has security deposits in it. And you want to check your state and local laws to make sure that if it's an interest-bearing account, some states require you to provide that interest to the tenant at the end of the tenancy. So you'll want to make sure you're up to speed on all those local laws. And then, how should you disperse the deposit? Again, it's state-driven. In Indiana, for example, we have 45 days to either return the deposit in full or to provide a letter noting what deductions were made on that security deposit. And if you've listened to my previous weblog on wear and tear, this is really where that comes into play. So again, using the example, if your security deposit's $1,000, you feel like the tenant did $200 worth of damage above normal wear and tear, then you would be required to return that $800 in that case within 45 days, and then documentation on how that $200 was spent. So again, security deposits are important. There's a lot of laws surrounding them, and it's important that landlords are up to speed on how security deposits work. Again, this is Jeremy Tallman with T&H Realty Services. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to call us, and thanks for listening.